Okay, this is kind of the redo of Algebra 2, letter E, lesson 113. So what happened is I wrote a 170 instead of a 140. It was supposed to be a 140, so I kind of messed up the problem, so I'm going to fix it. 140 divided by 700, that's 1/5. Okay, so now R is 1/5. So we're going to do the whole thing with 1/5. So the formula says I can go a sub 1, which is 700, over 1 minus 1/5. So that's 5/5 minus 1/5, that's going to be 4/5. Okay, and then if I go 700 over 1 times 5 over 4, that's 35 with 2 zeros over 4, and that, I'm sure that reduces, divided by 4, that's 875. Sorry about that. Messed it up on the last one because I wrote the problem down wrong. That was letter E. Now I got totally enough time to do letter F, so I guess we'll do F. Kind of ran out of paper. Let's see. Okay, an employee's salary is structured so that he earns $27,700 in the first year, and a 2.85%, hey, percent, I got to move the decimal 2 places to the left, 0.0285 raise every year thereafter. Oh, how much can the employee expect to earn after 20 years? I totally get this. That's a sub 1. It's what they start with. So it would be like, made that much. And then if I wanted to get the next one, all I would have, actually the multiplier is not, R is not going to be that though. R is going to be, let's see, I think it's going to be 100. It's 2.85%. Well, let's find out what 100% take away to. 100 minus 2.85. 97.15%. No. Let's multiply it by this. See if we get the right amount. Times 1.0285. So the second year, so this looks right. So what we're doing here is he's getting 2.85% of whatever he had the previous year. So that's his multiplier is actually, if you just multiply it by 0.0285, then you'll just get that little bit that's getting added on. But to get it, so I don't have to take the little bit and add it to the original, we just put a 1 in front of it. And if you keep multiplying, you'll see it'll turn out right. So this is R. So this would actually diverge, but we're not being asked to find the infinite series. We're being asked to find after 20 years. So we have the formula for that right here. So I'm going to say S of 20. S sub 20 equals, oh goodness, what's my first term? This is an old book, kind of a low salary. 1 minus R is 1. To the n, how many? Oh, 20. Oh goodness. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys, just to save time, I'm going to let you guys put all that into your calculator. If you're very careful and don't push any wrong buttons, you will turn out with that's how much money he'll make altogether. Like if he doesn't spend any of his money, that's how much he'll make after 20 years. Okay, that's it.